Hello everybody, long time no see. Today I have an unboxing of the GGC's treasure bag, and this one is in, I believe, Denim Nights. So this is going to be the Denim Nights GGC treasure bag. So if you'd like to see what's in this giant bag, then just keep on watching. So full disclosure, Gina was so kind enough to send me this bag so that I could create some tutorials for you guys, and she picked out the color for me. They both looked really pretty, but I did get the Denim Nights version. And so the first item, and I believe this is it here, is a 7.5-inch strand of 6mm round natural sodalite beads in midnight blue. So as you can see, there's some natural gemstone variations to these. Very pretty. Definitely a denim color. Next up is a massive 23-inch strand of 8x5mm coins. Dark steel blue electroplated glass. And there's approximately 79 beads on here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look how sparkly. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. Next up are these beautiful clear golden frame oval glass beads, and these are 13-inch strand, 7 by 4.5 by 3.5mm. And look how pretty. This is definitely a very long strand. So many beads to work with here. It says approximately 50 beads, and they have such a nice sparkle on them. Next up is what I believe to be a 16-inch strand of 4x3mm imitation clear AB rondelle faceted glass beads, approximately 113 beads. Look at the color and sparkle on those. This is definitely a very flashy box so far, bag. Look at that color. These are just always a good staple for your stash as well. Oh my gosh, look at this color. It like really kind of stole my breath. This is what I believe to be a 15.5-inch strand of 4x4x4 light royal blue cuboid faceted glass beads, about 100 beads here. And oh my gosh, light royal blue, never thought that would be a color name, but that definitely describes this color perfectly. Definitely very denim as well, with like a silver sheen to it. So stinking pretty. Look at how long the strands are in these bags. It's crazy how much you get. You know I love this shape. This is a 15.5-inch strand, 5x5 by 4mm clear AB faceted column glass beads, and there's about 75 beads on this strand. Look at that. I love this shape. It is so nice. You can even bead weave with this because these are like very even. And so we'll see what we have in store this month. I really want to try to do like maybe like as many bracelets as I can make, or as many earrings. I tried it once before and it did defeat me because you get so many beads in these boxes, but I just want to try it again. Now, y'all know I have a whole organizer of triangle beads because I love triangle beads so much, but I don't have this color. This is a very unique color. This is an 11-inch strand, 4.5 by 4.5 by 4 or 5.5 violet faceted triangle glass beads, about 88 beads. And the violet, let me see if I can get a little organizer or a little white backdrop out here to kind of show you the actual really nice, like it's almost gray, but there's definitely still a violet tone to it. It's not like a bad gray purple. Like I know like purple beads are hard to come by, like actual purple, but this is definitely an actual purple color, just light. So I am super happy to have these. It's going to be hard to use these because this is like a rare color for me. I haven't seen this one. I think putting these two beads together kind of shows you more of that color contrast between that blue tone and definitely that more violet tone on the right. So much sparkle though, you guys. This is what I believe is about 45 pieces of 6.5 by 7 by 6 millimeter Prussian blue electroplated glass nugget beads. And honestly, you guys, I try not to watch the unboxing. She always has an unboxing the day that she sends them, because I know now that I am on her list, I get one, and I kind of want to be a little bit surprised. So I think these are the nugget beads, and I love a good nugget moment for sure. And these definitely, even though they are glass and they're manufactured, they still kind of bring that like very funky organic feel. So this is just such a lovely addition to have, and you get so many. And it's like kind of clear on one side, then it's got the electroplated on the other, and it's just fantastic. Look at these stunners. I love these so much. This is a 22-piece bag of 8 millimeter, which is, I probably think 8 millimeter is my favorite size round. This is Prussian blue dyed weathered agate beads. And I love these so much. Such a great addition to a denim themed box. Definitely got like a washed feel to it. I love these. I love that we're getting a variety between like matte textures and smooth and sparkly and faceted and round. It's really great so far. I accidentally skipped over this strand, and this is a 15.5-inch strand of 6 millimeter round violet glass pearl beads, and these are beautiful as well. Here's what the hole looks like. No flaking, and this is in a very friendly size to bead weaving. That 6 millimeter size is kind of like the highest I kind of ever went with bead weaving, or at least comfortably went, so I liked this size a lot. Whenever you want to make like a big punch in what you're weaving. So look at that color. That is a stunning color. It definitely goes well with these triangle beads. I mean, okay, sparkles and pearls. Do we need anything else? I don't know. I think I'm good. Oh my gosh, look at these cuties. These are very interesting. This is, let's see, a 20-piece bag, 6 by 6 by 7 millimeter rainbow two-tone transparent glass cube beads. So if you can see, there's like a little bit of color on them, but they definitely, like, just depending on the angle, they'll look clear. They look like they have just a little bit of color on them. And then when you look through one angle, it's like a lot of color. It is just a very unique. I don't have anything like this. So this is a very cool bead. It like just looks like candy. I love it so much. And you can definitely see all the different types of colors in there. Look at these little cuties here. This is an 18-piece bag of 6 by 6 by 4 millimeter blue spray painted glass heart beads. And look how precious they are. These are so pretty. Definitely got some depth and dimension to them here. They're very dainty, and I love that it's not like super, super heart. It's just enough to where it's like, oh, what is that? What do you have there? It's like a little bit of interest to the shape of the bead. Okay, are we seeing this? This is a 15-piece bag of 10.5 by 10.5 by 10.5 deep blue spray painted glass flower beads. And this is so unique, you guys. Look at this. Look at that shape. They definitely nest. Let's see if we put them front to front. That is interesting too. So they definitely nest both ways. I kind of like them facing each other. I think that's really cool. It's definitely a cool option. And let's see if we can get that color to shine through a little bit better on these with that white background. Definitely very cool. We have a bag of 6 pieces, and this is 9.5 by 6 millimeter Prussian blue grade AAA bicone crystal beads. And these are so smoky, so deep, dark, mysterious. And these bicones are, yeah, these like bicone crystals, these AAA grade are just so nice. It's so crazy that she can add so much of this high quality stuff in here to these bags and it still be the price that it is. So I love having these. These are really hard for me to use because I love them so much, but we're gonna have to do it because I want to do one of those challenges this month. Look how beautiful these are. I wish I had like 2 or 3 strands of these. This is a 5-piece bag, 7 by 12 by 7 millimeter royal blue handmade porcelain cuboid beads. So these definitely look like a rectangle kind of shape to me, but they are so pretty. It looks like just pottery, you know. I just love that. I love that deep cobalt blue color mixed with the like nice crisp whites in there. I just recently had a bead mix using this color tone, and I think I still have one left in the shop, but this is going to be perfect to pair with that. Oh my gosh, again, such a lovely bead here. We have a 2-piece of 15 by 20 millimeter flower pattern Prussian blue oval handmade porcelain glass beads. And look at those guys. We have to put our last beads up there with them. It's such a perfect match. I love just the like handmade feel of these and how they bring some extra like contrast with the darks and the lights, and I love that. Oh, I wish I could buy like 10 of these. I think this is the next bead. It says 1 15 millimeter round Prussian blue alloy core, which looks to be that. Handmade Indonesia bead. Look how pretty that is. A nice quality one too. Sometimes they can be a little scratchy or weird. This one is really, really nice, and I love the addition of those rhinestones. It's going to play very well with all the crystals that we have in this box. It's so beautiful. Look at that. While I'm still going through beads here, I'm going to skip to the bottom. This is a 6-piece bag, 9 by 6 millimeter clear grade AAA crystal bicone beads. And just for contrast, we have the blue ones that we had before, and then we have these beautiful clear ones. I love these so much. They're so sleek. I kind of just want to like display them all on a pair of earrings, just maybe with a little pop of blue in between. What do you think? These little cuties are so hefty. They're very nice. They got a weight to them. This is a 10-piece bag, 9 by 5 millimeter antique silver tone alloy flower beads. Look at the detail on these guys. Of course, we have the typical split petal hole with a 1 petal on the top there. And these are so pretty. They are definitely weighty items. They are not cheap. Oh my goodness, I love these as well. These are so pretty. It's perfect, like little daisies in like the springtime. You get to wear your jeans and your lighter colored jeans maybe. Like, it's just kind of like a perfect match. Look at these little cuties here. This is a 2-piece 15 by 18 by 8.5 millimeter antique silver tone alloy flower filigree heart pendant beads. That is a mouthful, but these are just so cute. These are like little puffed hearts, and they've got a little flower motif in them as well. So if we bring these in there, it matches really, really nicely. Just having both those little themes mixed in between. Okay, I really love this so much. This is so cute. This is an 18 by 34 millimeter blue glass bulb bottle pendant with cork stopper, and this definitely reminds me of my hometown or my home state. They have Blinko Glass Company. I've made a necklace using their glass before. They make these little water bottles, but this looks like one of their vases that they would make, and they definitely use that like dark cobalt blue color in some of their pieces, especially the older ones. So hey, I love this. I'll probably glue her shut just because I don't want her falling off, but it looks like it's staying pretty well, and it's pretty lightweight. So look at that cutie. My goodness. Look at this, you guys. This is a crystal clear antique silver tone alloy pendant, and this is a 20 by 10 millimeter, and it's got like, it looks like either leaves or flowers. Oh, I think it's a butterfly. Look at that guy, now that I'm looking at it. But you can string that on and either have that on the front or the back. Definitely some choice there, and it's like a little crystal clear disco ball. I love it. We've got a lot of things to work with here. It's like I almost should probably lean towards necklace, but you know, I don't know. Maybe we'll do a challenge with like how many just pieces can I make with one box. Maybe that'll be more attainable. Okay, are y'all seeing this? You could take somebody out with this. This is so heavy and so unique. Like, you're just really not getting the same old here. This is a 24 by 68 millimeter lapis horse pendant, and it's got a little crystal eye in there. Definitely a very cute crystal point, and she's heavy, y'all. She's gonna make a statement piece for sure. Another pendant here, and this is a 42 by 22 by 5 millimeter antique silver tone alloy flower pendant. Definitely looks like a rose to me. So again, we're bringing in some more of those flower details throughout this box. You know, we even have them on a bead here. Looks like a tulip over here, and then we've got our metal flower beads, and it just looks so cute. Look at these chunky guys. This is a 10-piece bag, 12 by 10 millimeter antique silvertone alloy spacer bead caps. And look, maybe we could nest one of these like flower beads in there. That would be kind of cute. This is really crazy. I don't have any of these types of bead caps, and honestly, they kind of look like flowers as well. So like we are still kind of like with this cohesive spring denim flowery heart vibe of a bag, and I think it goes really well together. Look at this chain. We have 1 meter 4 by 1 millimeter platinum tone iron Rollo chain, and this one feels nice and smooth, and you obviously get so much of it. I love when she adds chain to her bags because it's just so useful. And definitely this is one that I'm looking forward to using in the box. She usually helps us out with some findings here. I mean, we're gonna need some findings for all of these beads. I mean, look at the beads behind us here. And so we have, it looks 8 silver, antique silver tone alloy toggle clasps. So again, we're kind of either getting, it could go both ways, like a flower or a butterfly, which we have found throughout this box. So great to have these because we have to get to making projects. Okay, you guys, I am simply overwhelmed by the amount of beads that we get every single time in these GGC treasure bags. And this is the Denim Nights GGC treasure bag. I believe they are both sold out, but if you'd like to get your hands on the next one, please go sign up for her newsletter. She always lets you know a couple days before the bags are about to drop. So that's really your quickest and easiest way to get notified. Also, if you are not subscribed to her channel, go and subscribe to her channel and then turn on your notifications because she always drops a reveal video right when she posts the bags so that you can see what you're buying before you go in there and purchase it, and so you can make sure that you like it. No surprises, anything like that. So as far as my favorite bead, oh, that's kind of hard. I really love the violet triangles just because of the color. The color is very, very unique. But I'm really loving these like ceramic, earthy, hand-painted kind of tones on these beads right here. And so I really, really love those. So I'm looking forward to making a bunch of projects with these. I really think I want to challenge myself this month to try to use almost all the beads, as many beads as I can in this box, and it'll probably be a long video, but it should be very exciting. So anyways, let me know what your favorite bead in this box, or I keep calling it a box, it's definitely a bag. Let me know what your favorite bead out of this bag is down in the comments below, and I will see you soon, hopefully in the next one, hopefully tomorrow, and I hope you're staying safe and well. Bye.